What's up everyone, Maury Croson here from the Performance Lab of California. We are doing this member video outside in the cold. Yeah, it's LA, so cold is not probably the same as everybody out there watching, but for LA people, this is cold. But we'll go right into what the content is, which is I had a revelation about how we can maximize speed. I just had it the other day and I'm so excited for you guys to learn what to do. I really don't even know why I give you guys so much great. I mean, geez Louise, you guys are gonna steal everything and you're gonna end up making break all these records, do all this stuff. But no, I want to help you guys out the best I can. Let's hop right into it. So what I was thinking about is imagine or think about when people are doing push-ups, and that's one of the things that I am good at, just naturally good at, doing push-ups. And the reason that I'm good at push-ups is because I have a lot of strength in my back. And so when I think of a push-up, I don't end up very tired in my biceps or my chest. I end up very tired in my triceps, in my mid-back, in my lats. And the reason is because I'm squeezing in those areas, which is keeping my deceleration really good. Why is that important when we come to trying to develop speed and acceleration and top end capabilities? It's because if we think about when you're about to land on the ground, if we could keep ourselves kind of going upward during that time of deceleration, make it so we have a little bit more trap activation, make it so our shoulders a little bit higher, we can actually bring our bodies upward and make it so we don't have as much contact with the ground. So imagine somebody being 180 pounds, 190 pounds, whatever. If you're lifting yourself up, maybe now you're hitting the ground with only 140 pounds of force, or maybe only 130 pounds of force. The key thing to think about though is let's make it so we're a little bit upright in how we're running and lifting ourselves up off the ground to make it so not only do we get more of a vertical action when we're pressing up, but also for the deceleration phase and helping our turnover, that will make it so when we land, we're not landing with so much force, which then makes it so we don't have to push off and get so much rebound off of more force on the counter action. So that concept I think is very, very important to understand, is that we can actually make ourselves lighter while running based off the muscles that we're activating. I can even feel the difference between how my feet feel when I'm kind of letting my shoulders just drop down and how my feet take that weight on compared to when I lift up and I try to keep all of my weight upwards. You can feel how much lighter you are on your feet. You can feel how much better your foot is actually interacting with the ground in terms of how the ball of your foot is really the main part that is touching. Now, we bring that into the speed game and make it so when you're about to touch with that one foot, that we're actually allowing ourselves to lift up. And I think you're gonna feel a lot better in terms of stabilization of the ankle, which everybody can get better stabilization of the ankle. Doesn't matter who you are. And more strength in the foot. Everybody can get better at that. And then it'll also help us in making it so we can get more vertical action in the actual push off, which will make it so, again, that makes it so your ankle will be able to produce more force, make it so you'll be able to get more extension throughout the entire posterior chain. I mean, there's just a lot that can come from taking somebody that has a 170-pound body and making it so they only are 120 on deceleration, but then are able to push the same with that same 170-pound body off the ground. You're gonna end up having better turnover, you're gonna end up running faster. It's gonna be a great ending for you. All right? As always, thanks for watching these videos, guys. Check out our whole members page. I mean, tons of content. You can check out our YouTube page. You can check out our ebook, everything you need to know to be faster, okay? And then also check out our 12-week online speed program. As always, thanks for watching the videos, and we will see you soon.